Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Today is the tier tray spring blossom and fruits open collaboration. Guys, I have my tier tray here. I'm gonna turn you down. I have my tier tray here, so I want to decorate it first. I'm going to clean it and then I'm going to add some things to it. And yeah guys, this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Deborah Cabasta Home Living. And if we have any more hosts and co-hosts, I will be linking everyone in my description box below. So guys, let me get this tier tray clean because I haven't used it in a while. So let me get it sanitized. I want to get it sanitized because I'm going to be actually putting food here and we don't want nothing to get cross contaminated. So I'm going to clean my tray, I'm going to sanitize, and then we are going to be adding our fruit. And I'm using real fruit. I mean, if you have, I do have fruit that is not real, but I have it all packed away. So I'm actually going to be adding real fruit because I'm going to sit here, watch movies, and enjoy some of my delicious and yummy foods. And it's so healthy for you. So with that being said, let me get this clean and I will return. Okay, what I'm doing right now, I'm taking some paper towel because I don't have any doilies, and I'm going to put them here on the second shelf because in here I'm going to be adding some grapes and some other fruit. So I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to grab my fruit, guys. I gotta keep going back and forth to my sink and over here. I'm sorry guys, before I continue, I want to put some greenery on the bottom. You guys know this greenery from the Dollar Tree. I want to place it here on the bottom. I'm going to add in here as well. Hopefully this greenery does not interfere with what I want to do. Like so, let me bring it around. I hope you guys are doing well, and I want to thank those people that decide to join us in this collaboration. Guys, check out the Grace Life DIY community tab, guys. She posted her calendar there. She posted every month for all the invitation and open collaboration. All right, that's what I'm going to do from there. And then on the top, I want to add one of my vintage flower arrangements. This is from Japan. So it's just a little thing of flower, and that's it, guys, and that's it. And I think I will add these yellow ones here on the bottom, even though I'm going to add food there. All right, guys, let's see what else. Oh, and also I have this little lamp. I have this for over 10 years, guys. It's going to be actually 15 years. I got this from the Dollar Tree. This is when the Dollar Tree used to sell things that they last. It's battery operated, and this is the first time that I changed the battery was about 3 months ago since I bought it because I barely use it. So yeah guys, I place that there. Let me crush some fruits. I'll be right with you guys. All right guys, I want to add some of my grapes here. It's a real grape, guys. The real grapes. And I don't know, you don't like kiwis, but guys, I love a juicy kiwi, especially in my smoothie. I will be adding some kiwi there. Uh, Let me add another one here, guys. And I forgot to grab my apples. Let me grab my apples. All right, guys. These are two Fuji apples. Yummy. Oh yes, yummy, yummy. So let's move the little flowers a little bit. I will place this apple here, and I think I will place this one up here. Now, guys, let me grab my little plates. All right, guys, here I have some melon. I will place this here on the bottom. Here I have a combination of grapes, raspberry, blackberry, and melon. Here I have some pineapple. They look like this because I have some raspberry in it and I decided to take it out. And another little mix of berry, guys. And you know what goes good with fruits? Don't even think about it. You know what goes great with fruit, guys? Some cheese. So I think I'm going to grab a few slices of cheese. Yes, let's do that, guys. Let's do that. Mhm. All right, guys, I'm going to pause you because I have to go and cut my block of cheese. I'll buy my cheese in the big block. All right, guys, here I have, which I forgot that I have, was strawberries. Put some strawberries here. And also, I have to move this a little bit to make everything else fit. I don't think my cheese is going to fit, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my cheese, sorry guys, here and here. I have monster cheese and sharp cheddar cheese. You gotta wait for mommy. I'm telling you guys, she's worse than a child. Okay, and with that being said, also, I'm going to bring something else that doesn't have nothing to do with fruits, but my husband and I will be enjoying it, guys. Mm. I also made empanadas today. So today is not a non-cooking day for me. So this is what we are having. Well, this is what we are having. I feel like I'm missing something, guys. I'm missing maybe a few decorations, which, sorry about the sound, the windows are open. Decoration, I'm going to put around here at the table because I don't want nothing touching the food. And of course, guys, I forgot I have to grab my teapot. So with that being said, I gotta grab my teapot. Apollo, you know better than that. Go. Go. You are a service dog, mister. You don't do that. And I gotta grab my teapot, which I have a very light tea here. It's hot. So this is what I'm going to sit down and enjoy. Oh guys, I don't know, I feel like I could put maybe I think I could put this up here, like kiwi. All right, guys, I'm gonna bring you guys down from there, or bring you down a little bit. Maybe you guys can see from there and show you my tier tray with all the fruits. So let me turn on the main light. Move Apollo. Stay away. Maybe that'll give you a little bit more lighting. I don't know. I hope you guys like what I put together. And of course, we need to grab this for the fruit grabbing. So there you guys have it. I'm going to bring you guys closer, and then I'm going to sit down and enjoy some fruits. So let's get close, guys. Let's get closer. Guys, I hope you like. That's the bottom layer of my tier tray. Strawberries. Each individual cup has, like I said, my pineapple were mixed with the raspberry and the blackberries. That's how come it looks like that. And here is the melon. That's the bottom. That's the bottom tier. The second tier, I have the whole fruit. I have kiwis. I have black grape. Guys, they are so sweet and so delicious. And of course, I have my Fuji apple. And a little thin of flour from the Dollar Tree, which I have for a long time. On the top layer, I have my little lantern, my little lamp, a kiwi, a Fuji apple, and a vintage flower arrangement. And here, you guys see my empanadas, my sharp cheddar cheese, my clear teapot, which is hot. I'm going to be serving me a cup of tea. And I think I'm drinking great tea and some monster cheese. Well, guys, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.